Yes, hello, my name is Kety Kajabo. I am 18 years old and doing my last year of high school. Yes, I was born and raised in South Africa, but we moved to Rwanda. I'm Rwandan and Burundian. Oui.
And you're an actress?
Yes, I'm an upcoming one. I have a film, but it's not yet released. It's going to be released soon.
How many movies have you acted?
Oh, I've only acted in one. I've just started.
In My Story or in My Kety?
Oh, I'm not in Kety. I haven't worked with Kety. I haven't acted in these years. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes.
Which movie tried to act first time?
Oh, I say the place. Like, no, they told me that I'm here to give. I'm talking about the audience, about how that was, not about the acting part. Yeah.
Related to mental health?
No, it's not related to me. See, I'm not here to talk about me as the actress. They said I'm here to talk about the audience as we watch that. So I'm explaining how I, as a teenager, yes, thank you. So I am not someone who has dealt with mental health myself, but I have a lot of family members and a lot of friends who do. Like I said, I'm 18. We're at a point in life where we're changing. We're going into a different place, and watching that and learning that it's okay to not know where I'm going. It's okay to know that I am okay just being where I am, and knowing that I'm growing up. That's what I learned. That whatever happens, everything is going to be fine. There's going to be something that comes and it's going to help me work out with what I have. Yes, that's what I got as a teenager.
Maybe when you're walking in the streets,
yes,
you meet some children,
yes.
So what do you think when you see that children?
When I see that, I think the first thing I get, I feel sad, but I think I also realize how grateful I am for being able to have things that I already have. It just shows me that no matter where I am, I just need to know that there's some things that I have that some people are crying, some people are begging for, some people need. So doing that it gives me motivation to work harder as a person to be able to provide for people that are in those positions.
Do you have any message for that children and other people who see them in the streets? Any message?
For the people who see others in the streets, I hope you may take it to heart and understand that those are children too. They are the same as us. It's not that they were born into that. We were all born into the way we are. We shouldn't feel entitled because that wasn't something that they had a choice over. I hope that we are encouraged to be better people so that we can help people that are in need. And for the people who are on the streets, God will make a way. If you really believe in it and if you really truly work to get to a place where you think is better, you will get there. And if you need help, just talk to someone. Even if you see someone walking, just talk to them and let them know that you are important, you are heard, you are seen, and you will get to where you will get.
And one last message for the children who use drugs.
Okay, so I have a few friends that are into that. I think you need to know that you are loved, because I think that's where a lot of these things are stemmed from. I need you guys to know that there's so much more to life out of drugs. That's not something that you need to be dependent on to live a good life. And you shouldn't feel like you're a bad person because you've gotten into that. Everyone gets into these things at different circumstances. So I just hope that you get the help that you need and realize that it's not, you just need to talk to someone about it and know that there is life after drugs.
So
Yes.
do you think this film in Korean will have an impact on people who will watching it, including decision makers?
Yes, I think it will, in the sense of there are so many young people who aren't able to voice their things, so them being able to see and feel represented, I think that will give them the courage to go up and to talk to someone, or at least let people know that this is how they feel and that they relate to that.